Welcome back to another Ater video. Today we're going over TA, earnings, days on loan, and more importantly, how I think the short squeeze is going to start. Now, first of all, TA. Yesterday I went over a bull and bear case scenario. I said for bear case scenario, we come down 11% and we test the bottom of this demand zone and we bounce up. And for bull case, we just break through this supply zone and we come up to this gold line and start testing it. Now, we came down to the bottom of this demand zone and we started trending back up on this kind of like trend line that I've drawn up. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with this kind of pattern, I have it here, ascending triangle pattern. This could potentially be an ascending triangle pattern, and we could see a bullish upside break out of this in the near future. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out because this seems to be a very strong trend and it wants to hold. Now, I'm going to go over how I think the short squeeze is going to start because I don't believe that any of this is a short squeeze. And my sentiment has really changed. I'm not going to be selling any shares in this price range at all. I've done a lot of financial research on Ater now, not just technical and short interest and all that stuff, financial. And I believe that this company is financially undervalued more than anything. And yesterday, I believe, Ater officially released that they're going to have their earnings on May 9th, which is in about a couple of weeks. And if you guys aren't familiar with Ater's earnings, it's been consistently beating earnings, I believe. Now, Ater's continued to improve its company, and there's a lot of financial benefits to Ater, and financially, I believe this is undervalued. Now, if I come over here, I'm going to get back to what I was saying. Voice crack, bro. Average days on loan, 31.6, right? If I come over here, I marked out 31.6, or the average days on loan for a short position, which is about 245. We're all the way at 530. There's already a lot of pressure on shorts, but it's not enough. It's not enough pressure where they're going to cover because they want to cover at a lower price. So they're waiting for this to come down until they get either margin called or under too much stress. Now, these earnings, this catalyst, this is what I want to call it, this catalyst could be the thing that pushes Ater to the price where shorts start covering. And that's how I believe the squeeze is going to start. The squeeze, like I'm not saying we're not going to gamma. The short squeeze, I believe, could start from this catalyst if everything stays bullish. Now, a lot of random stuff could happen with the SPY that could throw this off. We need to see this volume come back. I talked about yesterday how this was a huge accumulation compared to these small ones. And tomorrow, if we don't see that volume, how we would for these types of accumulations, I don't know what's going to happen because we haven't really been in this charting pattern before. I just really wanted to hold this trend and break up, but I'm going to hold. I'm not selling anything. I'm just excited for this catalyst. I can't wait to see what happens after the catalyst. I'm not even going to think about selling at anything under $7.25. Like, honestly, I feel like this company has got so much more upside than $7.25. That's just my opinion. That's it for this video. Just a quick one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.